Let's send the black girl the darkest powder we have. Slightly tan.
Darcei.
I look like a Heather today. Hey guys! What's up? It's your favorite bald-headed bitch. Back at it again with another video. The sun has gone to bed and why haven't I? Wait, what time is it? 7 o'clock. It's pitch black outside. Stupid daylight savings. Welcome to another transformation video. I'm your host, bald-headed bitch, otherwise known as Korea Boo Boo the Fool, otherwise known as Heather St. Clair. So I don't really know what I'm gonna do for this cute little transformation. Get ready with me. I'm not going anywhere because it's a quarantine. But we'll figure it out. First thing I want to do is moisturize my face because the winter has been hitting me hard, guys. That, and also I have not been keeping up with my skincare routine, let's be honest. So I'm going to moisturize my face today with this moisturizer from Nature Republic. It's the Green Derma Mild Cream. Very mild, it's very mild cream. I don't know what that means, but I like this cream. And I'm definitely feeling a little dry, so I'll slap a lot of this on my face. Yeah, that was a lot. This is actually a lot. But you know what? I like it. Well, guys, December is officially here, and I still have no holiday plans. Because of the pandemic, I don't think we're gonna be having our big Christmas celebration like we always do. So people are gonna be spending Christmas with like their individual families, right? You know, just your little immediate family, your little bubble. But poor little orphan Darcei doesn't have a family. Just kidding, I'm not an orphan, but I cannot spend Christmas with my dad. So I would be spending Christmas by myself unless someone else in my family decides to take me in. This is true for every year, honestly. If I wasn't invited to the big Christmas celebration, I'd be spending Christmas by myself. That's so sad. Darcei, why is your life so sad? One day I will have a family of my own and I won't be spending Christmas alone ever. But until I get married and have kids, then I'm gonna have to find someone else's family to spend Christmas with. And I'm also like the baby of my family, so all of my cousins are like 10 years older than me, so they all are married and have kids. So usually I just like tag along to one of their houses. I'm like, hey guys, it's me, the single one. That's what happens when you're the last one to get married. Ugh, always a bridesmaid, never a bride. Speaking of brides, I've been watching Bridezillas. You guys remember that show, right? I used to watch it all the time in high school. They rebooted it in 2018 and I've been watching it again. Today's video is actually sponsored by WeTV and they're airing brand new episodes of Bridezillas this month. If you've never seen Bridezillas, it's exactly what it sounds like. Brides having crazy meltdowns before and sometimes even during their wedding. And let me tell you guys, it's hilarious. Everything that could possibly go wrong with your wedding goes wrong in this show. Wedding dresses not fitting, drama with the bridesmaids, catering issues, unexpected pregnancies, and of course, strippers. That just reminded me, there's this one episode where this girl Alex is getting married and her friend Amber invites a stripper over for some shenanigans, you know, as strippers do. And she invites the stripper over to Alex's mom's house. And Alex was not having it. Let me tell you, she was not having it at all. But here's the best part. Alex's mom, she was definitely having it. Alex's mom was getting down. Alex's mom was ready to get her freak on. I feel like my mom would have been cool like that too. I had a cool mom. Not a regular mom, but a cool mom. Ah, okay. My skin feels much better. Yes. Anyways, I love watching shows like this just because I have a really boring life. And it's a nice contrast, you know? And I also feel like it's preparing me for my own wedding. Like now I know it's probably a bad idea to try to change the caterer 5 days before the wedding. Probably. So you guys can watch Bridezillas on Thursdays at 9 Central on WeTV. And don't forget to subscribe to WeTV's YouTube channel as well. They've got lots of hilarious clips of this show. So go ahead and click the link in the description box. Okay, so the reason why I wanted to do a get ready with me is because I got sent this enormous box of PR. Let me show you guys. I gotta use my brute strength. I've been working out, guys. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ugh. It's a really big box. I want to try some of this stuff. So that's what we're gonna do today. I was gonna try it anyway, so I was like, might as well film it, right? This is so heavy. Oh my god. Everything is packaged very nicely. So everything in this box is from the brand Perfect Diary. What is in here? Oh, it's just an empty box that I can put all my lipsticks in. Wow! I could actually use this though. I always need more makeup storage because I have so much. So it came with all these different lipsticks in here. And I have a feeling there's gonna be a lot more. Oh my god. Maybe I shouldn't have done this. Maybe this feels overwhelming. What is this? What is this? It's a holographic deer. Oh my god, it's a cute holiday collection. What does the palette look like? Shabam, gorgeous. Look, little deer clips. Hold on a second. What else is in here? Kuretama. Ooh, it's a soft velvet blurring loose powder in number 3, which is most likely their darkest shade, which is probably still paper white. Let's open it up and see, shall we? Listen, I have enough experience with Asian brands to know exactly what their MO is, okay? Let's send the black girl the darkest powder we have. Slightly tan. Ooh. Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you shade 3. Beautiful. Oh, it's a puff. Smells really good though. I can use this powder if I want to be a Twilight vampire for Halloween. The only time I use Asian face products is for Halloween. Okay, moving on. Oh, what's this big one? Ooh, ah! This is actually really cool. What's inside? I don't even know what's inside yet. Wow! Wow! Look, it has all these different eyeshadow palettes and they're all themed by a different animal. We've got the deer again. A bun! You have to use this one. Looks like a koi? A koi? I don't know what that is. And a pupper! This is the bunny palette. Ooh, so cute. A professional brush set. This is like Christmas morning. Wow! Thanks, Mom! We should use these today too. Ooh. You're too generous. I can't accept this. This is a lot. It's a lot to take in, guys. It's a lot to take in. I'm a little overwhelmed, not gonna lie. Oh my god. There's bubble wrap everywhere. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so we're gonna start with our No Problem Primer from Touch and Soul. I said. And since I'm a Heather today, I just want to use Glossier. We're just going to keep it light and natural because I'm already naturally beautiful. Now it looks like I didn't put on any makeup at all. And that's how I like it. Just gonna put on some concealer. I'm kind of scared to try these products, guys, because I don't know anything about this brand. They just sent stuff to me. Will it be a pleasant surprise or an extreme disaster? Find out on the next episode of Darcey Puts Things on Her Face That She Probably Shouldn't. Then I'm just gonna very lightly fill in my eyebrows. Just start with a little line on the bottom. Ever so softly. I want to keep the brow a little today. A little brow. Little brow. You're a little eyebrow. Little brow. You're a wee eyebrow. Little brow. You're a little eyebrow. You're fucking cute. So guys, Benny and I, you know Benny, my boyfriend, we were thinking about doing another video. And obviously we could do another voiceover video if that's what you guys want. But I asked you guys on Instagram if you have any other ideas, and here's what you guys said. Maybe make a cooking video. Like he would be talking step by step through a Korean recipe. I thought that was a really cute idea. And then people started upping the ante trying to make my life hard, and they're like, well, he has to say the recipe in Korean and you're not allowed to ask for any translations. And I'm like, wow, you guys really want to see me suffer, huh? And then a bunch of people said that they want him to rate my Savage X Fenty, which can be arranged. And then a bunch of you guys were like, no, we want you would rate his Savage X Fenty. Personally, this is my favorite idea for obvious reasons. And then another idea was suggested where he sends me makeup and I do a haul. So what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments below. I feel like my eyebrows are really big. Let's blend this out. I feel like this is gonna be a struggle look, guys. I really do, because I'm already struggling. This is a lot of concealer. I'm done. I can't do this anymore. Speaking of being done, guess who's done with this apartment? Me. Have I found a new place yet? No. But did I put in my 60 days notice that I'm leaving? Yes. I do have a bunch of places lined up though. I'm seeing 2 tomorrow, and then one the next day, and then one the next day. And they're all in the same building. And the building is a 10-minute walk away from the one I'm in now. But it's brand new. Literally, it was built this year. They're freaking gorgeous. Picture this. You're stunning. 1,000 square foot apartment. 2 bedrooms, plus den. Floor to ceiling windows. 2 bathrooms. Tub, shower, whatever you want. Washer and dryer inside the unit. Hallelujah! Brand new appliances. White walls with gray wood flooring all throughout. The bedrooms are really big, and the master bedroom has his and hers closets. You know, a girl needs her closet space. And this is all to myself. All for me. Just for me. So I'd be getting 3 closets. Oh my god. I'm drooling just thinking about it. Ew. Your girl has been using the One Size beauty powder lately because it is absolutely amazing. I love this stuff. So yeah, I'm probably gonna take one of the apartments that I'm seeing this week. And why am I moving out of this apartment, you may ask? Well, in case you didn't know, this apartment is a piece of shit. No offense. Actually, yes, offense. I've been living here for the last 10 years, literally since February of 2011, and I'm leaving in February of 2021. Isn't that crazy? It was basically all I could afford for the last 10 years because all I was doing was going to school and working part-time jobs. So working a minimum wage part-time job is not gonna get you a nice place. And ever since my YouTube channel started to take off, it's becoming more and more strange that I'm still living here. Like, it just doesn't make any sense because I have more than enough money to live somewhere else. And yeah, it's cheaper to stay here because the rent is really cheap, but like, I feel like I deserve to live in a nice place. You know, it's one thing to save money, but it's another thing to just like have peace of mind. I'm paying for peace of mind. I'm paying to be in a nice environment that will make me feel good. But I'm still gonna be able to save tons of money. It's not like the rent over there is crazy expensive. It's just that the rent here is really, really low for a reason. Okay, let's try this eyeshadow. I want to try the Bunny palette. So I have no idea what the color payoff is on these, and I'm kind of scared, but we're gonna try it anyway. Let's try Rosette. I feel like it's barely getting on the brush. Yeah, like... Where is it? Where is she? I invited Rosette to this party and she did not show up. Look, like this little pink thing is on my eye. Just that little thing. Just, no, we're not, I can't. Look at this. It looks like chalk. This is Rosette, the one that I tried to put on. It looks like chalk. Okay, let me try this Discovery palette. This was the fish one. There was like the koi fish. And we're gonna use Rosy Sunset, this color right here. And this is the brush that it came with. Okay, there we go. I really wanna use the purple though. Butterfly. Come my lady, come my lady, you're my butterfly, sugar baby. I learned what that song was really about this year. You're my butterfly, sugar baby. I'll make your legs shake, I'll make you go crazy. Wait, why does it work better when I use their brush? Maybe it has something to do with what the hairs are made out of. They're still really chalky and don't blend well, but I'm still using them because I'm invested and I can't stop now. Guys, I'm just slapping colors on my eye just to see what happens. Will it look good? Probably not, but here we are. I'll make your legs shake, I'll make you go crazy. Now I'm gonna use the color Horsehead. The only reason I got away with this color is because it has no pigment. I gave up and got a brown eyeshadow from ColourPop. Is this kind of cute? I can't tell. You know what, guys? I can never tell if a makeup look is actually cute or if it just looks cute because I'm cute. Because I am cute. That's a well-known fact. Oh yeah, I think this is doing it for me. I think I'm starting to feel like Heather. Everyone hates Heather Sinclair, but that's because they're just jelly. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Don't hate me cause I'm beautiful. Okay, now I'm gonna put on some eyeliner. They don't match. What else is new? I'm looking more and more Heather as we go on. I want to contour right now. I don't know why, I just do. You're too close. I don't like it. I'm gonna take my Kylie contour stick in the darkest shade and start contouring. Ooh. My jawline's starting to come back, guys. I stopped eating ramen. I know, tragic. But it had to be done. Do it for the jawline. Yes, give me some face structure that I don't have. Ugh. Let me put some contour on this 5 head, girl. Gotta bring that down to a 4. I can't be a Heather with a 5 head. Do I dare contour my nose? Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Wait a second. I can't tell if it looks good or not. Heather needs a blush. Let's use this one from ColourPop. This is the color Palatial? Palatial? I don't know how to pronounce words. Did I go to college? I did, but did I learn anything? No. Okay, now I need lips. But what kind of lips? Let's see what they got me. There is this one called Pink that is described as glowing pink rouge excess lipstick. I still haven't put on mascara. Guys, it's too late at night for this. Ooh. A little too dark for what I'm looking for, I feel though. What about this one? It's like this, it's like the same color. This one's just more red. I'm sure these are all very cute, but it's not what I'm looking for. I don't know what I'm looking for. In the meantime, let's put on some highlighter. Put on the highlighter that they gave us. This is in their holiday collection that came with like the deer thing and these, the antlers. Look at it, it looks so pretty and champagne-y. Barely anything's coming off. Why did I expect any less? Load it up. Let's go. Bam. Oh, I set myself up for that. I did. I really did. I did. I have no one to blame but myself for this. God, it's just sparkles. That's what it is. Just like all sparkles. Oh my god, I forgot I have a Pat McGrath mascara. I'm not putting on lashes right now. It is much too late at night, young lady. It's time to go to bed. So Kai from EXO just came out with a new album, Stream for Clear Skin, and it's all I've been listening to. So I've just been walking around the house going like, baby, you like it, ooh, I want nothing on me but you, And it's a good thing that I live by myself, otherwise whoever would be living with me would be super annoyed. I mean, I guess my neighbors could be annoyed, but I don't care about that. I don't complain when they smoke weed all day, so they shouldn't complain when I play K-pop. Heathers don't need lashes, but they do need lipstick. Maybe I'll put on a lipstick from Rare Beauty. As usual, I'm putting on my brown liner. Fearless or Courage? Fearless or Courage? This one. Courage. Oh yeah. Come through, Selena. I think I want to add a little bit more eyeshadow. The brown eyeshadow that I used earlier was from the Ornate palette from ColourPop. I used this color right here called Tipsy. I'm just going to add more of that underneath. I'm going to take my blush brush. Actually, I'm going to take a different blush brush just to make it easier because that one's too big. I'm going to take the smaller blush brush. I'm going to dip it in here. Look at that, sweetie. Oh, snap! Wow, Heather. As usual, I thought that this was going to be an absolute disaster and it turned out to be one of the best looks ever. Oh my god, I'm dying. I'm not even wearing lashes. Like, I'm just naturally pretty because my name's Heather. Thanks for watching this really random video, guys, and I will see you in the next one, which is going to be in 2 seconds because you're just going to click one of these. And don't forget that I love ya so much.